Welcome to session 41 of grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study radian measure and circular motion. The focus is to convert between degrees and radians and use arc length ideas to interpret circular motion. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. 2. Use S equals R times theta for arc length. 3. Interpret radian measure and circular motion. Radians measure angles by comparing arc length to radius. That is why radians are natural in advanced mathematics. They connect angle, distance around a circle, and trigonometric functions. The key facts are pi radians equals 180 degrees, and arc length equals R times theta when theta is in radians. Convert 150 degrees to radians by multiplying by pi over 180. That gives 5 pi over 6. If the radius is 12 and the central angle is 5 pi over 6, the arc length is 12 times 5 pi over 6, which is 10 pi. If a wheel of radius 0.4 meters rotates through 3 pi radians, a point on the rim travels s equals 0.4 times 3 pi, or 1.2 pi meters. Because 2 pi radians is 1 full rotation, 3 pi radians is 1.5 rotations. Your turn. How many radians are in 90 degrees? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Pi radians equals 180 degrees. 1 full rotation is 2 pi radians. Arc length is S equals R theta when theta is in radians. Radian measure links angle to circular distance. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.